Welcome, children. Take out your grammar textbook, chapter 13, active and passive voice. Today I am going to give you the answers of the exercises of this chapter. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb given in the bracket. Number 2. The wall is painted by Fred. Number 3. We are taught English by Mrs. Sengupta. Number 4. He is respected by his children. Number 5. The clothes are washed by the maid. Number 6. Good rainfall is predicted by the meteorological department. 7. A play is presented by my sister on the school's annual day. 8. All the students are requested to wear their eye cards. Exercise B. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Number 2. Who gives you these books? Answer. By whom are these books gifted to you? Number 3. He posts letters to his father regularly. Answer. Letters are regularly posted to his father by him. Number 4. The school awards prizes to motivate students. Answer. Prizes are awarded by the school to motivate students. Number 5. He manages his office very well. Answer. His office is managed very well by him. Number 6. Why don't you eat fruits? Answer. Why are fruits not eaten by you? Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 2. The book was borrowed by Parul. Number 3. They were offered food by the old lady. Number 4. Rice were not grown by the farmers. Number 5. Sneha was scolded by her elder brother. Number 6. The ball was thrown by Simi. Exercise D. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Number 2. They did not speak to her. Answer. She was not spoken by them. Number 3. Did the teacher praise her? Answer. Was she praised by the teacher? Number 4. The girl ironed the new gown. Answer. The new gown was ironed by the girl. Number 5. They called me for the interview. Answer. I was called for the interview by them. Number 6. Why did he write this? Answer. Why was this written by him? Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs given in bracket. Number 2. You will be selected for the stage performance. Number 3. A lesson will be taught to him. Number 4. A match will be played by the team. Number 5. When will his project be submitted by him? Number 6. We shall be blamed by everybody here. Number 7. Sarita will be called for an interview tomorrow. Exercise F. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Number 1. I shall pay the bill for the food. Answer. The bill for the food will be paid by me. Number 2. She will catch the last train to Delhi. Answer. The last train to Delhi will be caught by me. Number 3. Why will you write a poem? Answer. Why will a poem be written by you? Number 4. The boy will inform Karuna's parents. Answer. Karuna's parents will be informed by the boy. Number 5. Where will you keep the dishes? Answer. Where will the dishes be kept by you? Number G. Exercise G. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs given in the bracket. Number 2. The plants are being watered by the garden. Number 3. Is the song being sung by the tiny tots? Number 4. A show is being organized by the artist in the hotel. Number 5. We are being helped by our friends to complete this assignment. Number 6. Ganesh is being questioned by the jury. Number 8. Change the following sentences from active to passive. Number 2. I am making a note of it. Answer. A note of it is being made by me, or it is being made noted by me. Number 3. Is he attending the party tonight? Answer. Is the party being attended by him tonight? Number 4. The little girl is making a drawing. Answer. Drawing is being made by the little girl. Number 5. What is your mother cooking for the guest? Answer. What is being cooked by your mother for the guest? Number 6. Are they writing a complaint to the principal? Answer. Is a complaint to the principal being written by them? Exercise I. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb given in the brackets. Number 2. The field was being plowed by the farmer. Number 3. He being involved by his friends. Number 4. When was the agreement being signed by the couple? Number 5. Derek was being called for an urgent meeting. Exercise J. Change the following sentences from active to passive. Number 1. Somebody was calling her. Answer. She was being called by somebody. Number 2. The man was knocking at the door. Answer. The door was being knocked at by the man. Number 3. Riha was eating an omelette. Answer. An omelette was being eaten by Riha. Number 4. My father was watching FIFA matches. Answer. FIFA matches was being watched by my father. Number 5. She was reading a new novel. Answer. A new novel was being read by her. Exercise K. Change the following sentences from active to passive. Number 2. All the students have filled up the entrance form. Answer. The entrance form has been filled up by all the students. Number 3. When have you submitted the file? Answer. When has the file been submitted by you? Number 4. The girls have called the coach again. Answer. The coach has been called by the girls again. Number 5. He has bought a new wrist. Answer. A new wrist has been bought by her. Number 6. Has the librarian issued the cards? Answer. Has the cards been issued by the librarian? Exercise L. Change the following sentences from active to passive. Number 2. His father had already paid the bills. Answer. The bills had already been paid by his father. Number 3. The earthquake has destroyed the old building. Answer. The old building had been destroyed by the earthquake. Number 4. Why had you prepared the dinner? Answer. Why had dinner been prepared by you? Number 5. He had eaten the fruitcake. Answer. The fruitcake had been eaten by you. Number 6. Had the attendant conveyed the message? Answer. Had the message been conveyed by the attendant? Number M. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Number 2. They will have done their work. Answer. Their work will be have done by them. Number 3. Will you have invited her? Answer. Will she has been invited by you? Number 4. The young lad will have visited the showroom. Answer. The showroom will have been visited by the young lad. Number 5. She will have withdrawn the money from the ATM. Answer. The money from the ATM will have been withdrawn by her. Number 6. The florist will have sold all the flowers by evening. Answer. The flowers will have been sold by the florist by the evening. Exercise N. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Number 2. Kindly go through this book. Answer. You are requested to go through this book. Number 3. Bring that paper at once. Answer. You are ordered to bring that paper at once. Number 4. Drive carefully on the highway. Answer. You are advised to drive carefully on the highway. Number 5. Never speak ill of others. Answer. You are advised never to speak ill of others. Number 6. Please give me your new grammar book. Answer. You are requested to give me your new grammar book. Number 7. Close all the windows. Answer. You are ordered to close all the windows. Number 8. Do not make a noise. Answer. You are forbade to make a noise. Exercise O. Change the following sentences from active to passive. Number 2. Can she paint this wall? Answer. Can this wall be painted by her? Number 3. They could plan a new strategy. Answer. A new strategy would be planned by them. Number 4. The teacher would assess us. Answer. We would be assessed by the teacher. Number 5. What should I do now? Answer. What should now be done by me? Number 6. May I fix the leaking tap? Answer. May the leaking tap be fixed by me. Number 7. She can buy a new color box. Answer. A new color box can be bought by me. Exercise P. Change the following sentences into passive voice. Number 1. She was solving the sums. Answer. The sums were being solved by her. Number 2. They are running a marathon. Answer. A marathon is being run by them. Number 7. He has read the newspaper. Answer. The newspaper has been read by him. Number 4. Have you bought this sofa? Answer. Has this sofa been bought by you? Number 5. Will she play chess? Answer. Will chess be played by her? Number 6. I play basketball. Answer. Basketball will be played by me. Number 7. The boys had not submitted the books. Answer. The books had not been submitted by the boys. Number 8. Please be on time for the meeting. Answer. You are requested to be on time for the meeting. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.